like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop.
Ang bahay ni Marcos, guys.
I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon.
Alright guys, so alis na kami. So lang kami 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 riders guys. So Team Bomba CB Elite. So punta kami ng Mendez. Thank you. So dahil naiwan natin ang card natin guys, so cash lane tayo ngayon. So ngayon na lang tayo ulit naka-ride guys with Team Bomba. Grabe, sobrang tagal. Yung last nakasama natin sila sa track pa yun, sa BRC. So ito na lang ulit. May aksidente pa. Kaya pala may ambulansya sa likod, so kailangan nilang bilisan. Walis, ay nako, ride safe mga sirs. You know guys, so dito na kami sa Mendez, sa Kapeña. Kapeña, Pastries and Brews. Ang daming tao guys, oh. Yan. So pila tayo, check natin kung anong food nila dito. Ito bread, and then some jams, arroz caldo, rice, egg, ito tapa, and then bangus, tapos parang may dried fish doon, no? Tapos bacon, and then waffle. So ito yung buffet table nila. Yun, no? Shoutout kay sir, oh. Yan, panalo yan sir. Panalo. Pumunta tayo ng pagkain guys. So yun guys, yung price $399 buffet adult, and then $299 for kids. Yun, maraming tao guys. Dito siya sa Mendez, Cavite, Kapeña. Thank you. Alright, sige. Thank you. Sticker guys. Ito guys yung mga price list nila. For event reservation. Press pengen ako. Ayun si Press ang nag-serve sa atin, oh. You know. Yun na, tama na. So guys, ito bumalik tayo. May mga sausage na, may bangus, and then may longganisa. You know. Ay, alright. Kain tayo ulit guys. Ha? Ito. Balik tayo sa ating table. Paps, cold.
Nice.
So, pero si Paps Bong, panoodin natin mga nag-basketball. Kita nyo naman guys, di ba? Nagpunta kami dito para kumain ng buffet. Akala mo nag-basketball pa sila. Ayun, oh.
Para makapagutong, makapag-subside ng makakain.
Ayun, oh. Oh. Nadadrap na to sa NBA, di ba? You know.
Searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
Guys, so photo ops muna kami. Yun si Press, shoutout sa'yo Press. Nice, thank you. Tignan natin, kuha tayo. Kalay ba to? Yun, no? Oo ha? Oo. Sama kami. Yun, no? Shout out guys, Team Bomba, CB Elite. Wait lang. Picture muna pala. Yun oh. So kasama natin sila, mga tropa. George, yun oh, idol si Bong oh. Kita to, diba?
Yan, top road. Top road yan.
Oo nga eh. Yun oh. Shout out sir, ride safe. Ride safe sir.
I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you. We died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had to give an art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love. You never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad. I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
Alright guys, gear up na kami at aalis na. Flash, thank you ah. Ride safe, ride safe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Brother, thank you.
Ano, dadamay ng ano? Relax?
Dito, Aguinaldo, tapos Carmona. Silang. Brother, ingat. Live tayo, live. Ingat. Tony, thank you. Sunod tayo. Sir, thank you. Sir, thank you. Brother, thank you. Okay guys, so pauwi na kami. And that completes my vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching. And of course, shout out Team Bomba sa lahat ng members, kila Press, kila Attorney, sa lahat, Pop George, sa lahat sa inyo nakasama sa ride kanina, and then sa lahat ng members of course. Thank you guys and ride safe. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Also to my Facebook account, please follow na din. Thank you so much guys. Again, let me end this vlog by saying, don't waste your time looking back. You're not going that way. Thank you.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my